Hello students. Today in this video I will explain you exercise number first C. Question number first. Add the following. You have to add first part bracket plus 212 bracket close plus inside the bracket plus 67 is given. So first of all what we have to do, we have to remove the bracket. When we will remove this bracket, answer will be plus 212. Here double sign are coming. One sign is inside the bracket and another sign is outside the bracket. We have to combine these two signs. Plus plus, answer will be plus 67. Now in the next step we will check the sign of both the numbers. 212 is having plus sign, 67 is also having plus sign. So plus and plus is plus, so we will add them. 7 plus 2 will be 9, 6 plus 1 7, 2 as it is. So on adding them we will get 279 and we have to put the sign of greater number. 212 is greater, 212 is having plus sign, so answer is plus 279. So this is your final answer of part number first. So here plus sign is not compulsory to write in the beginning. It is your choice whether you write plus sign here or not. If you will not put plus sign, then also your answer will be correct. Now part number third. Bracket minus 120 plus bracket minus 269. First of all we have to open the bracket. Outside the bracket no sign is there, so when we will remove the bracket, answer will be minus 120. We will write it as it is. Plus and minus will become minus 269. Now in the next step we have to check the sign of both the numbers. This is negative number, this is also negative number. Minus and minus will become plus. So minus minus plus means we have to add them. But sign will be of greater number. Which one is greater among them? 269 is greater and 269 is having minus sign. So in the answer also we have to put minus sign, and minus is plus, so we will add them. On adding them we will get 389. So final answer is minus 389. This is your answer of part number third. Why we are putting minus sign? Because among 120 and 269, 269 is greater and 269 is having minus sign. That's why we are putting here minus sign. Now see another part number 8. Eighth part is minus 2167 plus 179 plus minus 4201 bracket close plus 812. First of all what we have to do, we have to open the bracket. Minus 2167 plus 179, two sign are coming, plus and minus will become minus 4201 plus 812. Now in the next step what we will do, we will solve these two and we will write the answer here. Next we will solve these two numbers and we will write the answer here. Minus and plus, minus plus is minus, so we have to subtract them. On subtracting 2167 and 179, we will get 17 minus 9 will be 8, 15 minus 7 will be 8, 0, 20 minus 1 will be 19. So on subtracting them we are getting 1988. Among them this number is greater and this is having minus sign, so in the answer also we have to put minus sign. Now we will check these two signs, minus and plus. Minus plus is minus, so we will subtract 4201 and 812. We will subtract these two numbers. 11 minus 2 will be 9. Here it will be 9. 9 minus 1 will be 8. Here it will be 1. 11 minus 8 will be 3 and here it will be 3. So answer is 3389. Which one is greater here? 4201 is greater and this number is having minus, so in the answer also we will put minus sign. Now minus and minus is plus, so we will add these two numbers, 3389 and we have to add 1988. When we will add these two, 9 plus 8 17, 8 to the 16 and 1 17, 9 and 1 10 and 3 13, 3 4 5, So final answer we are getting here 5377. Which one is greater here? Greater is 3389 minus sign. So in the answer we will put minus sign. So this is your final answer of part number 8. Like this you have to do the remaining parts of question number first. Now all of you see question number second. Second question, evaluate. Part number first, minus 12 minus 63. This is the question. Same method we have to apply here also. First of all we will open the bracket. Outside the bracket no sign is there, so directly we will write minus 12. Minus and minus will become plus 63. After removing the bracket we have to check both the sign. Minus and here it is plus. Minus plus is minus, so we will subtract 63 and 12, then we will get 51. In the answer we have to put the sign of greater number. Which one is greater? 63 is greater. 63 is having plus sign on the left hand, so here in the answer we will put plus sign. But it is not compulsory to put plus sign. If you will put plus sign, then also your answer is correct. If you will not put plus sign, then also your answer is correct. So this is your final answer of part number first. Now part number fourth part, 28 minus 43 plus minus 16 minus 128 minus 68. This is the question. First of all, what we have to do, we will open the bracket. 28 minus and minus will become plus 43, plus minus minus 16, minus minus plus 128 minus 68. After removing the bracket, two numbers we will solve. These two. This is single one. This one we will not solve. We will solve it later on. This is number positive. On the left hand plus sign is there. No sign means plus sign. Plus, and this is also plus. So plus and plus is plus. So we will add them. 8 plus 3, 11. 4, 5, 6 and 1, 7. So this is plus 71. Greater one is 43. 43 is having plus sign. So we will put plus here. Now these two numbers we will solve. This is minus and this is plus. Minus plus is minus. So we will subtract them. 128 and 16 we will subtract. Answer will be 112. Which one is greater here? 128 is greater. Sign of 128 is plus. So in the answer we will put plus sign. Now this is the remaining number. So this remaining number we will write as it is. Now three numbers we are having. First of all we will solve these two numbers. 71 is having plus sign. 112 is also having plus sign. So plus and plus you know very well. Plus is plus. So we will add them. 1 and 2 will become 3. 7 and 1 8. So 183 we are getting. Which is greater here? 112. So plus sign we will write in the answer. Minus 68. Now these two numbers we will solve. Here plus sign is there, and here in the number left hand minus sign is coming. Minus and plus will become minus. So we will subtract these two numbers, 183 and 68. 13 minus 8 will be 5. Here it will be 7. 7 minus 6 will be 1. 1. So final answer is 115. Which one is greater among them? Plus 183 is greater. So we will write here plus sign. And it is not compulsory to put plus sign. So your final answer is 115. So this is the answer of part number 4. Like this you have to do all the remaining parts of question number 2. All the parts are same. Now we will start solving exercise first D. All of you open exercise first D. In the first D exercise we have to find the product. Product means multiply. Exercise number first D. Exercise first D. Question number first. Find the products. Product means multiply you have to do. First part is plus 12 multiply 8. First of all we have to multiply the sign. On the left hand of 12 plus sign is there. On the left hand of 8 plus and minus nothing is there. So in such case, whenever no sign will be there, plus or minus, in that case you have to take plus. So 12 sign is plus, 8 sign is also plus. So plus multiply plus, answer will be plus. 12 8 ja we will multiply. 12 8 ja 96. So final answer is 96. Another part you see, part number fourth part, minus 13 multiply minus 15. Sorry, here is the first question. 18 is there. Here 12 multiply 18 we have to do. When we will multiply 12 with 18, 8 to the 16, 8 1 8 and 1 9, 12 1 12, 216 we will get. So here we will write plus 216. First of all we have to multiply sign, plus multiply plus will be plus, 12 multiply 18 when we will do, answer will be 216. Same work we have to do here also in the fourth part. First of all we have to multiply sign, minus multiply minus, minus minus is plus. 13 multiply 15 when we will do, 5 3 ja 15, 5 ja 5 and 1 6, 13 1 ja 13, 195 is the final answer of part number 4th. Now another part number 9th. Minus 225 multiply 40. First of all we have to multiply the sign. On the left hand of 225 minus is there. On the left hand of 14 no sign is there. No sign means plus we have to take. So here it is plus, here it is minus, plus minus minus. 225 into 40. This last zero we will write at last. So we have to multiply 225 with 4. 5 4 ja 20, 4 2 ja 10 to 10, 4 2 ja 8 and 1 9. So here we will write 900 and one more zero. This last one we will write at last. So our final answer is minus 9000. So like this you have to do all the parts of question number first. Second question, table is given. This table you have to solve by yourself. Such questions will not come in your exam, but I will explain you how you have to do. Table is given. Multiply. Here it is written minus 12, here it is written minus 9, here it is written minus 12, here it is written minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6. Such table is given and you have to find the product only. Table we have to fill, product we will do. How we will do? This place we have to fill. So this number multiply this number we will do. Minus multiply minus will become plus. 12 multiply 12, answer will be 144. If you want to fill here, then what you have to do? This upper number and this left hand number both we have to multiply. Minus and minus will become plus. 12 9 ja 108. If you want to fill this place, then what you have to do? Upper number is this and left hand number is this. So minus multiply minus will become plus. 8 9 ja 72. Like this you have to fill this table. So such question will not come in the exam, but you can fill in your textbook this question. Now question number 3rd you see. Under the table in question number 2nd, under the table fill in the blanks are there. That fill in the blanks you have to do. Fill in the blanks. You have to put greater than sign, less than sign or equal to sign. First part is given minus 12 multiply 12 dash minus 12 multiply minus 12. So first of all what you have to do? You have to multiply first. Minus multiply, no sign is there, that means plus. Minus multiply plus will be minus. 12 into 12 will be 144 dash. Minus multiply minus will be plus. 12 into 12 will be 144. So here we are observing this is minus number and this is plus number. Plus positive numbers are always greater than negative number. So this plus 1 number is greater. That's why we will put open sign here also. Now another part number third. 6 multiply minus 8 dash 9 multiply minus 5. First of all, we have to multiply these two numbers. Plus multiply minus is minus. 8 6 जा 48 डैश पहले साइन करेंगे प्लस माइनस माइनस 9 5 जा 45. Now minus 48 and minus 45 both are negative number. This is also minus number, this is also minus number. So the number which is looking greater among them will be smaller one. Both the numbers are having minus sign. So in such case, the number which will look greater, that number we have to take as a smaller. So this is looking greater. So but this is not a greater. This is looking greater. But this is a smaller number. Smaller means we have to put close sign. Here also we will put close sign. So like this you have to do question number second. Third question. Part number first. 7 into minus 8 into 12. Here three numbers are in multiplication. First of all we will multiply 2. Plus multiply minus will be minus. 8 7 ja 56. Multiply third number we will write as it is. Now when we will multiply these two numbers 56 multiply 12, then we will get 672, and we have to put the sign also. Minus multiply plus, minus plus will be minus. Here we will not check greater number. Whenever you will do addition or subtraction, in that case in the answer we will put the sign of greater number. But this is not addition or subtraction, this is multiplication question. So in multiplication question we will not put the sign of greater number, we will put the sign by checking them. Minus multiply plus will be minus. So minus 672 we have to write. Now part number fifth part. 11 into minus 15 into 17 into 19. Four numbers are here in multiplication. So how we will multiply? First two and last two separate we will multiply. 11 multiply minus 15 we have to do. Plus and minus will become minus. 11 into 15 when we will do, then we will get 165. This multiply sign we will write as it is. Plus multiply plus will be plus only. Plus is not compulsory to write, so no need to write it. 17 into 19 when we will do, then 323 we are getting. Now these two numbers we have to multiply. First of all we have to multiply sign. Minus multiply no sign means plus. Minus plus minus. 165 and 323. 5 3 ja 15, 6 3 ja 18 and 1 19. 3 1 ja 3 and 1 4. 5 2 ja 10, 6 2 ja 12 and 1 13. 2 1 ja 2 and 1 3. 3 5 ja 15, 6 3 ja 18 and 1 19. 3 1 ja 3 and 1 4. 5 9 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 5 3 2 9 5. This is your final answer of part number 5th. Now same work you have to do in all the remaining parts. Same method you have to follow. Two numbers we have to multiply, and after that we have to write the final answer. Now question number 4th. Question number 4th is you have to divide in question number 4th. Division we have to do. Division. Question number 4, first part. 125. In place of divide, we will use upon sign. Upon plus 5. We will cancel them with the same table, with the table of 5. 5 1 ja 5. 5 2 ja 10. Remainder will be 2. 2 and 5 25. So 5 5 ja 25. So in the denominator we are getting 1. So whenever we will divide with 1, answer will be same only, that is 25. 5 we have to write. Now we have to put the sign also. This is not addition or multiplication question, addition or subtraction. In addition or subtraction we have to put the sign of greater number, but here this is division question. Division and multiplication we will not put greater number sign, we will check the sign. This is plus and this is also plus, only plus plus plus. So final answer is plus 25. Another part number 6. Sixth part, minus 781, no need to put the bracket. In place of divide, we will take upon minus 11. Minus and minus both will get cancelled. One minus is in the denominator and another minus is in the numerator. Both will get cancelled. Now 11 7 ja 77. Remainder will be 1. 1 and 1 will become 11. 11 1 ja 11. So final answer is 71. Sign we had already cancelled, so we will not put sign. Now part number 8. Minus 372 divide 12. Here no sign is there, that means this is plus number. Plus minus minus. 12 and 372 we will cancel. 12 3 ja 36, remainder will be 1. 1 and 2 will become 12. 12 1 ja 12. So final answer is minus 131. So like this you have to do question number 4th. Now all of you see question number 5th. Fifth question. Simplification we have to do. First part, 6 into 3 minus 14 divide 2. So in such questions we have to use BODMAS. BODMAS we will use. Before BODMAS, bar we have to solve. Bar. So in this question bar is not given. Bar is given in part number 5th. So we will do 5th part later on. First of all we will solve this part number first. Bar is not there. B for bracket. Bracket is also not there. Off is also not there. Divide is coming here. So 14 divide 2 we will do. So rest of the part we will do right as it is. 14 divide 2 when we will do, answer will be 7. Now divide is over, multiply is coming. So 6 multiply 3 will be 18. 18 minus 7 when we will do, answer will be 11. So this is your final answer of part number 1st. Now see part number 4th. Fourth part, 30 minus curly bracket 5 minus 36 divide small bracket 6 into 3 bracket close. Here bar is not coming. B for bracket. Bracket is coming here. Small bracket we will solve for. This is the small bracket. So rest of the work we will write as it is. Till divide we will write as it is. Small bracket 6 multiply 3 is 18. Small bracket will get removed. Now curly bracket. Now this curly bracket is coming. This bracket also we have to solve. Inside the bracket subtract is coming and divide is coming. Divide is coming first and subtract is coming at the last. So first of all we will do divide. 36 divide 18 we will do. Rest of the work we will write as it is. 36 divide 18 will be 2. Now 5 minus 2 we will do. 5 minus 2 will be 3. 30 minus 3, answer is 27. So this is your final answer of part number 4. Now part number 5th. Part number 5th. 3 of 15 plus 9 divide 3 minus 2 bar multiply 6. First of all what we have to do? Bar we will solve. Rest of the work we will not solve. We will do it later on. First of all bar we will solve. Under the bar 3 minus 2 is coming. So 3 minus 2 answer is 1. Multiply 6. Now bar is over. Now we will follow BODMAS. Inside in the BODMAS first of all bracket is coming. This bracket is having add, divide and multiply. Three things are coming. Add is coming here. divide is coming here, multiply is coming here. Which is coming first? Divide is coming. So we will divide first. 3 of 15 plus 9 divided by 1, answer will be 9. So this divide is over. Multiply 6, we will write as it is. Now after divide, multiply we have to do. So 3 of 15 plus 9 6 are 54. Now divide, multiply is also over. Now add, bracket we will solve it. On adding we will get 3 of 15 plus 54. When we will do, answer will be 69. Now off is coming. Off means multiply. So when we will multiply these two, 207 will be your final answer. So like this you have to do part number 5th. Rest of the parts are same. In the same way you have to do all the remaining parts. You have to follow BODMAS, but before BODMAS we will solve bar. So bar, then BODMAS we will solve. Now question number 6. Complete the following using sign. Sixth question, first part. 9 dash 3 dash 3 equal 9. So here we have to fill either plus, minus, multiply or divide. So BODMAS also we have to follow here. Answer should be 9. If we will put here, first thing divide. If we will put divide, then 9 divided by 3, answer will be 3. That 3 after divide, multiply is coming. If we will put here multiply, that 3 multiplied with 3 will become 9. So according to BODMAS, divide we will do first. 9 divided by 3 will be 3. Then after that 3 multiply 3 will become 9. So this is the first part. Second part, 9 dash 3 dash 3 equal to 0. This answer is not the fixed answer. You can do in another way also. This is not the fixed answer. You can do in another way. That's your choice. According to BODMAS, you have to do only. Here we have to bring our answer 0. How we will bring our answer 0? If we will divide 9 with 3, then answer will be 3. And after that 3 minus 3 when we will do, then our answer will be 0. So here we can fill divide as, and here in the second bracket, in the second box, we will fill minus. Now part number 3rd. 9 dash 3 dash 3 equals 6. According to BODMAS, divide is coming first, so we will divide first. 9 divided by 3 will be 3, and 3 plus 3 when we will do, then our answer will be 6. So like this you have to do this question number 6. Now this exercise is over, and your unit test portion is also over. In your unit test, first unit test, how much syllabus is there? Sets, you have to prepare first. Sets chapter number 1 as well as all the exercise of chapter number 1 as well as your revision exercise. So your unit test syllabus is sets exercise 1A, exercise 1B and revision exercise. Full complete set you have to prepare for first unit test. Sets full complete you have to prepare. Then second chapter is your numbers. In the numbers integer chapter you have to prepare exercise first A, first B, first C and first D. In the integers you have to prepare exercise first A, B, C and D. 4 exercise you have to prepare from the integers. First E will not be in your unit test syllabus, it will come in half yearly portion. So this is the unit test syllabus, you have to prepare this much, and your homework is you all have to finish this exercise in your same notebook.